So several days ago on Instagram, I asked you what you all wanted to see on my videos. And you stated that you've been enjoying my thrifted DIYs. And as you know, I have been trying to use up everything that I've already had from previous purchases in my recent videos. However, my inventory was a little low, so I decided to go out, check out some thrift stores, and see what I could find. Hey there, my name is Yami. I am your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I love sharing high-end home decor DIYs on a budget. So if you like content like that, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can become part of this familia. This week, I thought I'd do something a little different and give you all a bonus video. Today, I'm gonna take you thrift shopping with me, and then we're gonna check out everything I hauled. And then Friday, I'm gonna be sharing how I upcycled these items. All right, let's get on the road. Actually, I was just picking up a lamp from a local person here off of Facebook Marketplace. I got a really great deal on a brand new Target lamp. So I was really excited about that because I got it for half off, because we all know that Target's a little bit bougie and they don't have sales like Hobby Lobby. And I thought, okay, I just finished picking up this lamp. Let me see if there's some good thrift stores around. And I found a couple, so let's go. Look at these amazing candelabras for only $2.99 a piece. Now, sometimes the aisles can look a little messy and intimidating, but sometimes it's worth to get in there and just take a closer look. I do appreciate how Goodwill is starting to put things of similar colors on their end caps so that you can see how things can go together potentially. But whenever I'm looking at stuff at Goodwill, I don't look at the colors or sometimes even the mediums. I'm just looking for the shape. I don't know about you, but even if this chair is in really nice condition, I'm not going to pay $40 for a chair at Goodwill. Not happening. As you can see, there's a lot of beautiful furniture pieces throughout these thrift stores that I visited, but I wasn't ready to buy any furniture. It was really tempting, but I'm really trying to pare down and only get exactly what I want. Next stop was the Salvation Army, and honestly, this is the first time I have been to one in my area. Well, a little bit away from my area, to be honest. It's about half an hour away, and I must say I was quite impressed with the look of the store. I like how they had the little rooms set up throughout, as well as showcasing their items in light colors on their displays. They even had some items that were brand new, so that was nice to see. Now, when buying baskets, I'm actually really particular about baskets. I like to make sure they're in really a good condition. And I'm sure you know that baskets can be really pricey in home decor stores. So when I find a basket in really good condition at a decent price at the thrift store, I usually like to pick it up. But I'm very particular as to the color, the style, the shape, and the size. If what I see doesn't fit any of the categories that I am looking for, then I usually don't take it home with me. Now, one thing I did notice about the Salvation Army is that some items were exceptionally more expensive. And this set was actually listed at $80. Now, I will say I do love checking out white dishes and ceramics because I do think those are timeless pieces, and sometimes you can find some nice platters for really cheap. I did learn that the furniture was also very overpriced, in my opinion. I really think I can get better deals on Facebook Marketplace. Granted, it could have been the location because I was kind of in a little uppity part of town. The third stop was another Goodwill, and I have actually been to this one previous time before. As a matter of fact, it was a Goodwill that I went to where I found the items to create this Look for Less dupe. This location had a lot of furniture items, but I did get to see some amazing baskets in this Goodwill. So let's see what I ended up buying, and with the help of my daughter, we're gonna walk you through them all. The first item is the most expensive item. This lamp base came in at $12.99. It actually had a lampshade, but it was pretty ugly, and I told them I didn't want it. But they refused to reduce the price. But I was like, okay, that's fine. I'll go ahead and take the base, and I gave them the lampshade because it was just not my style. So this is the first item, and I will be redoing this. I did end up taking the 2 candelabras with me for $2.99 a piece.
They remind me of the guy from Beauty and the Beast. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like a vase.
And this one only cost me 99 cents, but I thought it was really cute. For this next one, I have a very large metal urn. It cost me $4.99, and I thought it was a really good size. Besides the fact that it was old and patinaed, the actual structure was just fine. So I'm excited to give this one a makeover as well.
And sometimes there's always that piece that you find that you weren't looking for and you don't necessarily need, but you just have to have. And that's okay too, as long as you don't do that for every single piece.
And that would be this piece right here. It's quite large and it's in really good condition despite the fact that it needs a new paint job, but I only got it for $3.99. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I knew that I had to have it.
Up next is a candle holder. And this is not my favorite because it's really dirty. There's some wax left in there and there's a dead fly in there.
Ew, it's a bug, huh? In the case of this candle holder, vase type looking thing, I really like the shape and the height of it. And I also like that it was very similar to the look that I gave the 2 candle holders in my first thrifted video this year. And you guys really like those candle holder transformations. So if you can see past the grime and the stuck on candle, give it a good cleaning and then give it the makeover that you want, it will actually turn out into a piece that you will love. I can't wait to get my hands on that one.
My next purchase was this metal bin, and I got it for $2.99. I love the length of it, and I also like the fact that it had those little holes throughout and that it was metal. And I have something really pretty in store for this one. I ended up buying a second basket, and I really like this one because this one pretty much looks brand new.
The price shown here is $3.99.
Now, I'll be honest, this will most likely stay just as is, and I do plan on probably trying to include it in my new pantry. And for this next one, it's a faux leather bag. I really love the color, and no, I'm not going to use it as a fashion piece. I'm going to cut this up and create something new out of it. I ended up getting this one for $4.99.
And one of the most expensive ones of all is this green pot decorated with trees all around.
And while this one is a little bit more expensive, I do love the shape, and I plan on using this for a Look for Less dupe that will be coming up very soon. Now, that was the very last item for my thrift haul, but I did want to share the lamp that I had originally went out to go buy on Facebook Marketplace. I did confirm that it is $100 at Target. I only paid $50 for it. It was brand new out of the box, and it functioned perfectly fine, and I think it looks really good behind my made-over tray table.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting and seeing what I purchased. So I have a question. Let me know in the comments below which one of these items you are looking forward to seeing being transformed the most. If you had fun, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can be here on Friday when I share what I do to some of these pieces. I'm interested to see what you guys think. All right, so I look forward to seeing you guys in my next home decor and DIY video. Until then, adios.